Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 11th Standard Business Max class. Last class we have discussed exercise 2.4, 6, 7 and 8th sum from the combination. In this class we are also going to see about exercise 2.4, question number 9 and 10 from the combination. Okay. The ninth question: in how many ways can a cricket team of 11 players be chosen out of a batch of 15 players? The first subdivision, there is no restriction on the selection. The second one, a particular player is always chosen. The third subdivision, a particular player is never chosen. Okay, three subdivisions are given. Okay, listen the question. The total number of players are 15 and required number of players is 11. Okay, total number of players are 15 and required number of players is 11. The first subdivision, no restriction. So total number of players are 15, 11 players want to be select. Okay, then the second one, a particular player is always chosen. That means one person is already chosen. That is 15, 14 only we consider. Total number of players is 14. Okay, then one player already chosen, so remaining 10 player want to be select. 14 player, 10 chances. Have you understood? Okay, then the third one, a particular player is never chosen. So one player is never be chosen. So omitting the one player, so total number of player is 14 and so required number of player is 11. Okay, have you understood the question? Okay. Okay, the solution, the total number of ways of selecting 11 players out of 15 equal to 15C11 because no restriction. Okay, so out of 15 players, 11 players want to be select. Okay, 15C11. Okay, the simplest form is 15 minus 11 is 4. So 15C4, this can be right, 15C4. Okay, then so apply the formula. Okay, NCR formula. So n factorial, that is 15 factorial divided by r factorial. So 4 factorial into 15 minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 15 factorial divided by factorial. Then 4 factorial into 15 minus 4 is 11. So 11 factorial. Okay, which is equal to 15 factorial can be right. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial can be right. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 11 factorial. The 11 factorial are cancelled. Remaining is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, making the cancellation. 4 3s are 12. Okay, then this is 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. Okay, the remaining terms are 15 into 7 into 13, which is equal to 15 7s are 105. 105 into 13 equal to 1365. Okay, this is a selection process in first subdivision. Okay, the second subdivision, if a particular player is always chosen. Okay, therefore the required number of ways equal to, so total number of players now is 14 because a particular player is always chosen. So 15 minus 1, 14. Then the remaining players want to be select 10. 10 players remaining want to select. Okay, 14C10. Have you understood this? Which is equal to 14 minus 10 is 4. So 14C4. Okay, which is equal to, play the formula, 14 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 14 minus 4 factorial. Okay, which is equal to, the 14 factorial can be right. 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial can be right. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. So 10 factorial. 10 factorial, 10 factorial are cancelled. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 cancel. Then 1 2s are 2. 7 2s are 14. Okay. 7 13s are 91. 91 11s are 1001. That's all. Have you understood? Okay. The third subdivision, if a particular player is never chosen, therefore the required number of ways equal to, so 14C11. Okay. One player is never be selected, so total number of players is 14 and required number of players is 11. So 14C11, which is equal to 14 minus 11 is 3. So 14C3, okay, which is equal to, the formula is 14 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 14 minus 3 factorial, okay, which is equal to 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 3 factorial can be write 3 into 2 into 1 into 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 factorial. 11 factorial, 11 factorial are cancelled. Is remaining 3 2s are 6. Here 2 6 are 12. Okay. And 14 2s are 28. 28 13s are 364. Okay. That's all. Have you understood the answer? Okay, next 10th question. A committee of 5 is to be formed out of 6 gents and 4 ladies. In how many ways this can be done? When the first subdivision, at least 2 ladies are included. The second subdivision, at most 2 ladies are included. Okay. A committee of 5 members. Okay. Total members are 5. Okay. The solution, the first one is at least 2 ladies are included. Okay. The first one. At least 2 ladies are included. The first one, at least 2 means the number of possible is 2, 3 and 4. Okay, first we consider 2 ladies and so remaining is 3 gents, because total number of committee members are 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So first consider 2 ladies and 3 gents. Okay, therefore the number of ways equal to, so total number of ladies are 4. So now 2 ladies are selected. Then total number of gents are 6. Now 3 gents only selected. Okay, that's all, which is equal to 4C2. So 4 into 3. Okay, 4 write in reverse order 2 times. So 4 into 3 divided by the 2 can be write 2 into 1. The same way 6 write in reverse order in 3 times. So 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. This 3 can be write this like, which is equal to 2 2s are 4. Then 3 are cancelled. The remaining terms are 6 into 5 into 4. Okay, 6 5s are 30. 34s are 120. Okay, this is one of the way. Next, the B part is at least 2. So 3 ladies now select. 3 ladies and 2 gents. The remaining is gents, because total number of committee is 5. Okay, therefore the number of ways equal to 4 ladies total. So now 3 ladies are selected into total number of gents 6 and now 2 gents are selected. Okay, this can be right. So 4C3 can be right 4C1, because 4 minus 3 is 1 into 6C2. Okay, 4C1 can be write 4 by 1 into 6C2. So 6 into 5, 2 into 1. Okay. Then 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60. So 60 ways. Have you understood? Then the C method is the 4 ladies. 4 ladies and 1 gents are selected. Okay. So now the number of ways equal to 4C4 into 6C1, which is equal to 4C4 value is 1 into 6C1 value is 6, which is equal to 1 6 are 6. Okay. Therefore, total number of ways equal to, the first is 120 plus second is 60 plus 6, which is equal to 186. This is the first subdivision answer. Have understood? Okay. Then the second subdivision is at most 2 ladies are included. At most means to maximum 2 ladies. Okay. The possible values are, first consider 0 ladies. So no ladies are selected. So 0 ladies and 5 gents. It is possible? Yes. So at most the maximum is 2. So minimum is 0. Okay. 0 ladies and 5 gents. The number of ways, is equal to 4C0, okay, into 6C5. 6 gents and 5 gents are selected. Okay. Then it is equal to 4C0 value is 1 into 6C5. This can be right 6C1 because 6 minus 5 is 1. So 6C1. 1 into 6C1. 6C1 value is 6. Okay, that's all. Then 1 ladies are selected. 1 lady are selected and 4 gents are selected because 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. Then the number of ways equal to 4C1 into 6C4. Okay. The 4C1 value is 4 into 6C4 can be right 6C2. Okay. So 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. This is equal to 6C2 because 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. This is equal to 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 6 5s are 30, 32s are 60. Okay. Then the third one is 2 ladies. The 2 ladies and 3 gents are selected. Okay. So the number of ways equal to 4C2 into 6C3. Okay. The 4C2 can be right 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 into the 6C3 can be right 6 into 5 into 4 because 3 times 6C3 is 3. So 654 divided by 3 is 3 2 1. Okay. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This is equal to 2 3s are 6 into 5 4s are 20. 6 20s are 120. Okay. Okay. From the second subdivision, the total number of ways equal to 6 plus 60 plus 120. The sum of the value is 186. That's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework book page number 38, example 2.32 and 2.33. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.